Here I am in Kyoto, Japan in the evening, and just filming a little bit of what everyday street life looks like. It's a big deal in Japan to
in 350 feet, take a slight right turn on Sanjidori Street.
Green, so I do not jaywalk here. You'll find when you come to Japan that it's a very rule-bound and oriented society, but that it isn't in an annoying way. I actually respect the way they diligently follow the rules here. And clearly you can see that they have an orderly society as a result of it. Just look, for example, how smooth the pavement is, that there's not any litter abound or homeless people. Look, put it this way, I've been here for 2 weeks and I've not seen any hostility, not just with me, but in between anybody, period. I'll stop.
Proceed to the route.
It's a utopian society, but it's pretty close to one of the best ones on Earth, up there only with the Scandinavian countries. This that I'm in right now is Kyoto, and it's one of the quietest cities on Earth. Crime is incredibly low here as well. There's more of the incredibly tiny cars that I get a kick out of. I admire them, really. We have a sunset going on over there and some sort of sumo wrestler competition on the television in here. I don't know what that's all about.
Continue on Anyakajidori Street. Then in half a mile, take a right on Teremichidori Street.